So nice to see gravy with the prawns. So we will see how we are going to make this. It's so delicious and it's so nice to see. And of course, when you can have it with the noodles, it's nice. So we will make quickly and see how the gravy is coming, how the prawns are going to be stir fried. All that we are going to see. Quickly we will see how we are going to prepare all this, and then you can serve it anytime. Stir fry prawns only I am going to do. So we will see how the gravy number 2 is going to be done. First of all, I'll put a little oil, shredded onions, garlic shredded, ginger and the curry leaves. All that together you put and stir fry this. When you are stir frying this, now along with that what we are going to do is the ground ingredients, ginger, garlic and cumin seed. Though I have put a few ginger and garlic into this shredded, ground ingredients also I am going to use it, and stir fry. While you are stir frying, let it get stir fried a little. Water. Along with that, I will use a little vinegar. It's a gravy that we are doing, so we will see what we are going to use. Curry powder, about 1.5 teaspoon. Chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon. Turmeric, a little pepper. If you like a little chili pieces. That's another gravy that we are doing. About 1.5 cups of gravy, water I have put so that I will get the gravy nicely. Along with that, I will add a little water separately. Corn flour 1 teaspoon. Add it into this. This is another gravy that I have done. So when you think of that gravy, you might be wondering what it's going to be like. This gravy, we will put it into the bowl and keep it. It's yummy and it's nice to have it. See the gravy, how it is. Now with what are we going to serve? Lovely. We are going to serve prawns. Prawns I have taken with the tail, and I have removed the small vein. Ghee I am putting so that it will be tasty. It's not coming out of the pan. A little oil. Prawns, how long will it take to stir fry? Only 1 minute to cook and to stir fry. Now this gravy that I have done, you can have it this way with prawns, or you can have it chicken, mutton, any other vegetables if you want. See how nice it is, and to serve with that it will be delicious. Pepper, turmeric. I want it fully stir fried. This is going to be served with my gravy. So tasty. I told you it could be done with prawns, chicken, mutton, whatever you want, you can use it. Noodles or anything like this you can serve. It's nice to serve like that, and you could see how it looks because it's something really nice to have. Quick and easy preparation, you can have it. Gravy number 2 we have done, and you can see with prawns I have done it, and the gravy how we have done it, it's a little different to the normal preparation. You can always make the gravy separately and keep, and then you can fry the chicken, fry the prawns, fry anything that you want, mutton, whatever you want, or even vegetables you can fry, and then later you can add to the gravy and serve it with what are we going to serve? With noodles, rice and if you like, you can have it with rotis and whatever you want, you can have it, even with bun. So you can try this and see. It's something different to the normal preparation. It's a gravy that we insisted on making first, and then whatever you like, stir fry and add it. This is what I wanted to show you. This is the way that I prefer to prepare my food. I hope you will also enjoy preparing this, and hope to see you soon with another episode. And of course, I love you all, and I hope you prepare all this and comment on it, so that I will also know what you prefer and what you are thinking of. Tell your neighbors, tell your friends, and of course all of you subscribe and press the bell icon, so that you will get all my recipes and you will enjoy preparing this quick and easy. Thank you. Bye from me now.